You guys really thought that I edit the videos. It really is Thomas. You know, he's just taking a little break, but you're gonna finish up that video, right, Thomas? What is up, Goon Squad? Welcome back to the channel. So today is when we're gonna finish up that quarter panel and start the bodywork process. Now that we got the car lifted up, the wheel is off, we went ahead and bought some welding blankets. We're gonna go ahead and cover the top of the car and the door so nothing gets burnt during the welding process. So let's go ahead and start covering the car up. We also grabbed some seam sealer to seal up all these seams when we're done welding, just like the factory does. Right here is an example. They put it all around here, everywhere where there's a seam when they weld it together. So we're gonna have to put this on right after we're done welding. All right, so V-Tune just pulled up. He got the equipment here, the special panel bond gun that we're gonna use right there. And he's got his drill. So he's gonna probably start drilling first, right?
Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and start drilling out holes right here so we can weld it in and then weld that up.
Yes, sir, man. We got to get this thing 100% into position, so let's get started.
Alright, so we got everything drilled out. Now we're gonna go ahead and start welding with the back. We got everything lined up, all the gaps.
So now that the quarter panel is in its original spot and fully welded in, we're gonna go ahead and smooth all the welds down and get it prepped for body filler. All right, so before we get started on the quarter panel, I wanna go ahead and move this Dodge Hellcat out the way so it doesn't get any damage from sparks or anything. And also I wanna mention these Dodge Challenger shirts with the little Goon Squad right there. We only have a few more of these shirts left. So once they're sold out, they're gone, they're not coming back. So get on the website and copy one before they're gone. So all the welds are smooth, and the next step is to do the body work. And my main focus is gonna be this area right here. This is where it's gonna be the most tedious and the most shape shifting, whatever you want, a sculpting area, because this is gonna be the most visible. All the rest of the stuff is basically gonna be covered up, but we're still gonna apply Bondo and smooth it out. You do not wanna skip those steps. But I'm gonna mainly focus right here. I got my 80 grit on my block right here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and start roughing up this whole entire area so the Bondo can adhere to it and bond really good with this metal panel. Alright, so this area is prepped. We sanded it, wax and grease removed it really well, and I got all my supplies right here. My very special lightweight filler right here. This stuff has did great in the past, so I keep using this stuff right here. I'll go ahead and mix it, apply a very light coat at first, and then after the light coat looks really good, I'm gonna apply the full coat. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix a little bit. We applied only a thin layer of Bondo for now because there is little imperfections from the welder. It's not perfectly smooth, so this is gonna give us a nice smooth surface to apply the next coat of Bondo. Now it is time for a second layer of Bondo.
There you have it, guys. We just got a bunch of new merch. We got some awesome new hoodies. You're about to see them out. They are straight fire, man. And this is all that we got right here, so they're gonna go quick, guys. Every single one of our batches of merch that we get, they just go so quick. So if you missed out the first time, be sure to get you one this time. While they still are here, you get a fresh new batch. We're about to show you guys what we got and what's different. It's gonna be awesome, man. Got a bunch up there and we still got a few more.
Oh yeah.
But
guys, you better be on this drop. This next drop is gonna be.
Guys, do you think all of this stuff is gonna fit on all these shelves here? What do you think?
I don't know.
All right, guys, so we paused for a second to pick up some more merch, and man, check out this straight fire. Woo-wee.
Super soft.
Super soft,
This is
man.
our first time ever dropping hoodies, so there is very little hoodies.
I think there's only, I don't even know, there's
I don't even want to put out a number because we don't have much. We got to go through them, count them, and we're gonna, as soon as we throw them on the website, you better copy you some because all this is gonna be gone. Man, they go quick, very comfortable merch.
Oh yeah, them hoodies are super soft. I'm wearing one myself.
Yep, we got more short sleeves, we got more long sleeves, and now we got our hoodies. Man, these things are super comfortable. I'm excited to finally get our hoodies out. Man, it's getting that weather, you know, that weather's coming around the corner.
Guys, we also got our new gray colored hoodie, man. Get yours, they're super soft, man.
And it's perfect for this fall weather. It's getting chilly. Maybe you guys up north are getting a little bit colder, so you might want to get yours before they're gone.
Yeah, we only got them in gray and black, and we also got both of these in black and gray. So both of them are in black and gray.
Black and gray.
And this triple R shirt is in black and gray also.
So the black and the ZL1 is also fire, guys. And then this is the gray one right here. And the Rebuild Race Repeat. Thanks to Alex James for helping us out with the design. So we're gonna get right back to work, but be sure to stay tuned towards the end of the video. We got something to announce for you guys.
I love glazing putty because it actually smooths out after you lay it down. It will, as you can see, it's smoothing itself out. That's what's awesome.
It's like self-leveling almost, but
yeah,
that is sweet. We almost got it. All right, so I am up top editing. He is down there finishing up that quarter panel Bondo. Look at Thomas, man. He is chilling up here. It is a little bit cold, so we're thinking about like doing a stove heater up in here probably, eventually.
Yeah, like a wood burning heater would be nice to set up like somewhere right there.
Yeah, for sure need a little heater in here. I know a lot of you guys are talking about electric heater, but a stove burner would be a lot better.
Oh yeah, it would be a lot better and the bill would be low.
Yeah, that's true.
We
got tons of woods around here.
Tons of wood.
Look at this little setup I got here. My desk is over there, but we don't have all the lights yet. So that's why I'm editing over here, but we're trying to get a video out for you guys. So, oh, you got a little burner over there? You got a little propane heater? How'd you get up here? Thomas literally can climb that ladder over there, so pretty cool cat. You guys really thought that I edit the videos? It really is Thomas. You know, he's just taking a little break, but you're gonna finish up that video, right, Thomas? You gonna finish up the video? Yes, sir. Yes or no? You better finish it, buddy.
Finally, after a bunch of hours of shaping and sculpting, this area is perfect. It's 100%, it's the way I like it. Now it's time to 320 everything around here. The reason why we're 320ing it is, as you can see, the scratches from my sanding block. And the 320 is just gonna sand all that down to smooth so the primer can stick to it really nicely and you wouldn't see all these scratches through the primer. The reason why I didn't go ahead and Bondo all this area and this stuff right here and all the welds is because I wanted to focus on this main area right here on the quarter panel to get it as smooth as possible. And finally it's there. So let's sand this thing with the 320, then prime it. So everything is prepped, all wrapped up and taped up. It's ready for primer. So I'm gonna run over there, mix some primer up, and start shooting it.
So the first coat is dry. We let it dry out with the little heater right here, and it went down absolutely really smooth. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab the gun and throw coat number 2.
All right, so the primer is completely dry. It absolutely looks great. It's super smooth. So this quarter panel is getting one step closer to getting us to the painting process. I can't wait to have this whole side painted here and probably go ahead and paint the whole entire car. But we still got a bunch of work till that stage, but we are getting closer and closer. So that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. But before you guys go, we are doing a new merch drop. So we got more t-shirts, more long sleeves, and now these new hoodies. And during this drop, we're gonna choose one of you guys to get this brand new Milwaukee set. Let me show you guys what's in here. This is gonna be ours, but we will be sending one of you guys a brand new one, of course.
Yeah, we just got it and we love it.
Dude, you cannot beat it. And Milwaukee is one of the highest brands you could probably get, and their tools just last so long.
You get a drill, and then you get an impact right here, a nice impact, and then you get everything you need in these boxes right here to take apart basically anything you want.
So for all those people that want to start wrenching, we got you guys covered. We want to give back to you guys. With that being said, be sure to copy some merch and support your boys and the channel. I can't wait to start painting this thing. It's gonna be here very soon. So be sure to turn on your post notifications, and we'll catch you next time.